everyone, and welcome to the Hoop Studio October 2025 unboxing. I'm so excited to show you what you're going to get in your kit this month. So let's get started. First of all, you'll always get a printed booklet of instructions of how to make the project. You will also get all these fun colors of felt, greens and yellows and the white and the brown to go with the project. You're going to get a nice chunk of Kimberbell project batting. We have these beautiful, gorgeous fabrics that are going to go in this kit this month. This kind of corally orange color, peachy color, solid, and this art gallery, gorgeous fabric with these leaves and flowers and lots of different organic designs on the fabric. You'll also get 2 pieces of flexi foam to make your project, 3 little pieces of tan corduroy, and these pieces, 3 pieces of these twine with the beads already attached. You don't even have to do that you're going to use. So that's everything that you get in your kit this month. Let's see what you're going to make with that. All right. As you can see from this picture, this is called our pumpkin patch coaster, and it makes this beautiful table display with the sunflower in the middle, the leaves, and these pumpkin coasters. So here they are. You can see that the sunflower is made with the felt, and the flexi foam kind of really makes the center of this flower pop. You also use the flexi foam on these cute little leaves, and that's going to be your center. And then you have these pumpkin coasters that you can make 3 of them to go around your table setting as well. And then you've got that beautiful twine hanging there with the beads. Now, this is specifically designed for this table setting, but the fun thing with this design is, what if you made a bunch of these sunflowers and you hung them from a string and made a fun little garland with them, and you could add some leaves in between, and then you have a fun garland display for the fall as well. You could even add these pumpkins to it and make a garland. So there's so many things that you can do with these fun designs that are more than just the display and the coasters. So what a bonus for that. All right, the fresh technique for this month is how to use flexi foam to make a 3-dimensional design. And like I said, that's right here is where we're using the flexi foam and on the leaves. So let's get right to our giveaway. I know that's the fun part of our unboxing. So this month for our giveaway, we have a fully kitted flexi foam. So if you want to make a bunch more of these designs on your own, you will be able to do that with this flexi foam. This is a great asset and tool in your projects. You will also get a Riley Blake Quilters clapper. This is great while you're making the mug rugs and you're ironing them flat. Then you put the clapper on it, and it just really helps those seams to lay flat and look really nice. You'll also get this fabric folding pen to help with your seams if you don't want to iron things right away. So those are the 3 things that you're going to get for the giveaway. And what I'd like you to do is, in the comments, tell me what you think you want to do with this pumpkin coaster. Do you want to display it on a table? Where would you display it? Or do you want to make it into a garland and display that from your home? So just let me know what you're going to do with this project this month, and we will announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy some well-deserved me time.